Friends, this salad is so refreshing and so healthy and really easy to make. You can carry this in your tiffin box to your office or just have it as an anytime snack. So, in our ingredients, I'll be using 1 cup of green gram or chana, which I have soaked for about 5 to 6 hours or even overnight. And then I've cooked the chana in a pressure cooker with about 2 to 3 cups of water on one whistle on high and then simmered it for 5 to 7 minutes. Once it's cooked, just drain out all the excess water. Now, besides the chana, we will also require one very small onion finely chopped, 1 tablespoon of fresh coriander or cilantro or kothimir chopped, half a very small lime, 3/4 of a tablespoon of chaat masala, half teaspoon of roasted cumin powder, half a teaspoon of roasted coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala, and 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder, and some salt to taste. So let's begin making this refreshing and healthy salad. Now, I've already told you about the ingredients. So this is the boiled chana. We don't want to overcook it. And we have drained the water. The water can be used as vegetable stock for making soup or even for making a dough for chapatis or puris. It's very healthy, but we don't want the water for this recipe. Now, this is an onion. I'm using a white onion. You can also use the red onion. This is some fresh cilantro, coriander, kothimir, some lemon for some tanginess. This is the chaat masala. This is roasted homemade cumin powder, roasted homemade coriander powder, some garam masala. I have a recipe for this. I'll leave a link below. Some red chili powder. Now, all we have to do is take a large bowl and add the boiled chana. Now, I'm adding the onion. You can also add some tomato you like adding to your salads regularly. Now I'm just going to be adding all the powder masalas that I've shown you. Now, if you want to skip the red chili powder, if you don't like the spiciness, you can do that too. You can also supplement it with some green chilies, some fresh green chili. So I'm just adding the garam masala, the roasted cumin powder, coriander powder, the chaat masala, and we're going to add some salt to taste. This is an ideal anytime snack recipe, or you can even carry it to your office in a tiffin box for an anytime snack or a lunch, or you can even give it to your kids when they're hungry. Now I'm just going to be adding the fresh cilantro or the coriander or kothimir. I love adding coriander to all my dishes. Now we're going to mix all of this very well together. And then we're going to add the lime juice or the lemon juice, which adds a lovely tangy flavor. And then give everything a mix, and then do give it a taste to see if you want to add some more masalas or some more salt, or you would like to add some more onion or cilantro. So give it a taste and see what you would like to add to your salad. And there it is, friends. Your salad is all ready to eat. It's so healthy and it's so refreshing. And this is a nice way of including some green gram or green chana in your diet. And it tastes delicious. So I hope you liked today's recipe. If you did, then don't forget to give it a big thumbs up by clicking the thumbs up icon. That way I'll know that you like this recipe and I can come up with some more salad recipes. And now with the summer coming on, we need to have a lot of salads to have some refreshing and lovely light salads in our diet. Don't forget to hit the red subscribe button. Do subscribe to Akshatas Recipes and become a part of Akshatas Recipes family. And once you have subscribed, do hit the bell, because that way you won't miss any of my recipes that I upload on my channel regularly. You'll get a message for the same. You can visit Akshatas Recipes. I have more than 250 recipes. I will leave a link to my channel in the comments box below, as well as in my description box. Do share my recipes with family and friends. And thank you so much for stopping by and watching my videos. I will catch you in my next recipe. Take care and have a great day. Bye.